In precision technology, moving components are exposed to high loads, distortions, and out-of-flat conditions. Our wire race bearings are the perfect solution. Wire race bearings differ from conventional roller bearings in one key aspect. The rolling elements do not roll directly on the raceway of inner and outer slewing rings, but on inserted raceways made of hardened spring steel wires. The wires absorb all of the loads. The shape and material of the housing is freely selectable. In many cases, full integration into the customer's housing is an option. This flexibility enables the development of resilient products for various precision applications. They are easy to integrate, are highly dynamic and resistant to vibration and environmental influences. For example, in mobile satellites, antennas, laser optics, or periscopes. With a wire race bearing, you acquire the pure function of a bearing and have more room for your ideas. Franke, innovation in motion.